Berry garden slash herb garden.
I also planted some stalks.
I'm recording.
There. Oh, sorry.
No, I'm just telling you so that you don't say anything
No,
dumb.
this is lemon balm too. Look at this. Lemon balm. Smell. Can you smell?
They can't smell it.
Yeah. If you could, it's like really lemony.
It smells like lemon thyme. What do you get when you put lemon-scented pledge on? Lemon-scented pine sol on germs.
You get lemon-scented germs. I thought you asked.
Was it pledge or pine sol?
It's my stevia.
Was it pledge or pine sol?
I think it's pine sol. Oh, that's okay. It sounds cute. If this is the one.
What is that? Oh, that's the thing that you made me chew before?
Yeah, that's stevia. It's a sugar substitute.
That's what it was.
That's a weed.
The weeds are trying to get in.
Mommy has to get in here and weed. Really good. But I thought I had like 4 stevia bushes.
Sage.
Anything growing from the outside of the fence is almost better than weed.
Yeah. Sage.
My sage is doing really well. It's got flowers on it. I did hang some in the shed to dry. See, look at that flower.
Yeah, I saw that big tree way over there.
Oh, they're sweet.
Oh, they look really pretty on here, too. Look.
Oh, yeah. But they're sweet.
Is it good?
They're good.
No, not right now. Apple tree.
No wonder the deer come down here.
Well, we came to pick blackberries, and now I can't find them. All the berries are gone. And I know that birds are faster than we are, but I still think there should be some berries, like red ones that aren't ripe yet. Like, they just all disappeared and everything grew over. Mommy's way up ahead. I don't think there are. Don't die.
Oh, it's right on.
Jeffrey! I don't see any more frogs. Hey guys, it's me. My mom had to run back to the house real quick. We're only like 2 minutes from our house, so she had to run back, and so I'm going to show you one of my favorite features of the woods behind our house, and that is this tree right here. I love this tree, and if I can get to the, look at how huge, and someone has used it as a tree stand, but I think it's really cool anyway. And there's actually like broken branches of another tree in it, but I think it's awesome. And if I could, like, I'm a tiny person, but my arms don't even go like 1/5 of the way around this tree. Not even. It's so big. See if I can take a picture from far away. I decided to come over to the other side of the tree to take a better picture, and I found this. And I've actually never noticed this before, because I don't normally come on this side of the tree, because this is the side that's like actually in the woods away from the trail. Like, you can't see in there, but it actually, I can see, like, it turns to the right and then continues a little bit more.
The bird feathers are all, Jeffrey, are always safe.
I always catch that on tape.
Bird feathers are always safe to take because those were left already.
Yup.
We have to go
Litter bugs.
down our path. go down our path. I don't know where I'm going.
Where are you going?
Well, we gotta go down the old bridle path, the mucky yucky one.
Okay, so the cool thing about my mom forgetting everything, sometimes it's cool because she forgot and just got to be reminded that this other tree near our backyard is a willow. And it's a big awesome tree, and she doesn't remember climbing it with me and my brother years ago.
I don't remember climbing this tree.
She has no idea. But she totally did. And this is a willow. And this is a bad angle. Hold on.
And I need some willow branches for tree stickers.
This is a terrible angle. There you can see the branches. Of course, once I start recording, the bird stops.
Chestnuts?
Roasting.
I think? No, not chestnuts. Alright, we gotta take a couple and look them up. I forget.
I need to go back and get some acorns from the oak tree.
Well, here, since we didn't get any blackberries, let's get some nuts.
Yeah, since we failed at blackberries, we'll collect nuts. I can't tell if you can see it. Hi, dragonfly. There's another willow.
My daughter decides to go for nature hikes. Say, wait, here, get Paul.
Hi.
Wave! She's videotaping you.
This is our neighbor. He's going to let us take willow branches. Yay! He said we can have the dead ones, too.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I'll see you soon with your money.
Yay! Okay, so we get to have willow branches now. What?
Friday.
This is the lake.
I didn't even realize this backyard was this close to here. Gosh, I had a view of the lake.
I know, we live on Lakeview, but we don't have the lake view. Just our neighbors down the road have the actual lake view. Okay, my card's full, so we have to use Mom's camera now.
Okay, that frog did a triple jump.
To go around the lake? I do. I know, I thought you meant, do you want to go back down the road, or do I want to? Dead willow.
Shut up, it's on. You know what that is?
Ew. Ew.